For maximum SEO, get .edu links like a champ. Make no mistake, .edu links, with everything else being equal, are some of the most powerful links you can get to your website as far as SEO is concerned. No joke. How come? Well, first of all, they're usually harder to get unless you know what you're doing. This is due to the fact that .edu links have a long association with quality, trustworthy content. After all, only educational organizations can get a .edu domain. Anybody applying for a .edu domain has to jump through many hoops regarding their qualification as a bona fide educational institution. Also, .edu sites tend to be older. They tend to be around longer, so their content has had more of a chance to build authority over the years. It's a great idea to get as many .edu links to your website as possible. Follow the steps below. Step number 1, create resource-worthy articles in your niche. The first step is to create high-quality content in your niche. This content basically must blow away 99% of your competitors. The good news is, you only need to create a handful of these. Step number 2, find .edu resource links that link to resources like yours. Look for college, university, or other educational instituted-related websites that already link to resources that you have put up on your site. You can use this string search site, .edu plus your keyword in URL, resources. Enter the search phrase into Google, look for the contact information of the resulting resource pages, and pitch them to link to your resource pages. Step number 3, find professors who have written about the topics you talk about in your resource and interview them. Reach out to professors and get them to link to you by interviewing them for your resource page. You don't need to tell them that you're not going to link out to them. They don't need to know that. Just tell them that you are basically going to mention them because you are going to be featuring their interview in your resource page. Once you have gotten the interview, paste it into your existing resource and then notify them via email that you've mentioned them on your website. Usually, professors love seeing their names mentioned in authoritative sites. In fact, they like this so much that they would link to you from their .edu blogs. Go to Google, search for yourkeywords.edu. This should show quite a number of academic papers, as well as researchers who have a profile page with certain resources that cite their work. Don't bother targeting professors that don't have these profile pages posted on .edu domains. Step number 4, create a scholarship page with a working form and a deadline. Step number 5, look for scholarship sites listing schools' scholarship resource pages. Find these resource pages and make sure your scholarship conforms to the format and award amounts of these schools' scholarship listing. Contact the schools to get your scholarship listed. It's very important to make sure that your scholarship is not some sort of scam. It has to be a real scholarship. You also have to be clear about your awards criteria, how exactly you're going to pick the winner of the scholarship. Step number 6, reach out to students who have .edu blogs and ask them to write about your resource. You can pay them, or you can basically appeal to their willingness to support your resource website. Step number 7, offer schools specific discounts on your merchandise. Use this only if you have a niche brand monetized with a dropshipping website. You need to find colleges that offer student discounts. Reach out to these colleges and ask them to list your discount page on their resource pages. It's important that you honor the discounts that you're giving to students from that school.